The threat of flooding in some parts of Austin is still not complete.
Part of that project would clear debris from Waller Creek. KXAN's Lauren Kravitz is live downtown to explain what's behind the years-long holdup now.
That's right. Well, the last time Waller Creek saw major flooding was last October. And trying to get rid of some of that flooding here, that project has been delayed. Every time the creek rises just a little bit, people start to get uneasy, of course, because we've seen that flooding. The plan to divert some of those floodwaters here from Waller still at least months away, at least 4 months. The underground tunnel that starts at Waterloo Park is expected to remove 28 acres of downtown Austin from the floodplain. The mile-long tunnel will empty floodwaters into Lady Bird Lake. Construction on the tunnel began in 2011 but has been significantly delayed because of a redesign. The redesign came after concerns that the project would block a view of Austin's Capitol building. The tunnel delay pushed back the construction of the debris removal system, which is housed inside of the tunnel.
The debris will get collected there. So we're going to install equipment that will actually remove that debris and then take it outside. So that debris which previously used to come down the creek is going to be captured.
Now, that debris removal system is expected to be done by the end of this year, but the tunnel, that's not expected to be done until May of 2018. So the debris removal system should help out a little bit, but still a couple years away from that final tunnel being done. We're live near Waller Creek tonight. Lauren Kravitz, KXAN News.
And the Waller Creek Tunnel project is way over budget. In 1998, Austin voters first approved spending $25 million to build it, and since then the cost has ballooned to more than $160 million. Last May, the Austin City Council approved another $7.5 million to finish the tunnel. As Lauren mentioned, construction stopped when the city realized the building would have violated the Capitol View Corridor. There are now 30 viewing corridors which protect scenic views of the state capitol building by regulating the height of buildings based on location and distance from the Capitol dome. Some are close to downtown Austin, others stretch as far away as the Miller development and Loop 360.